boys and girls, this is Shinkri, your Max mentor from 100 Learning Together. So today in this video, we are going to see the top 50 questions from the chapter probability. So probability is going to be for 5 marks for you. So in this, you'll be having 2 1-mark questions and 1 3-mark questions. With concerned with this probability chapter, what are the things you have to be, first you have to notice is, you have to know all the definitions and the meanings of these terms I have written. Okay, why? Because this probability chapter lies the base for your future classes, and this is a common normal general knowledge topic kind of things in maths. Okay, so it's just finding what is the possibility of a occurring. Okay, this is what actually probability means. Okay, so in this if you want to master this chapter, if you want to get full marks in this chapter, then the first thing you have to know is you have to know all the definitions of this. Okay, the first thing you have to know, what is an experiment. Okay, what is the experiment actually? These are the experiments. 2 dice are being rolled, a deck of cards is being shuffled, a coin is being tossed. These are the experiments. Okay, so if an experiment being done, what will be the outcome? So the result, right? When we do a thing, we'll get a result. That result in probability, it is called as what? Outcomes. Okay, so in probability, the word we use is outcome. Okay, so this is what, when you do an experiment, you'll expect an outcome. That outcomes, we are just finding the possibility of our things which we wanted to happen. Okay, so if I'm just tossing a coin, means I can get tossing a coin is an experiment. I can get 2 answers, 2 outcomes. Either I can get a head or I can get a tail. Okay, so if my wish is to, if I'm just thinking of getting a head, means what is the possibility of getting that? What is the possibility? That is, I'm just giving in value. Okay, giving in value to the possibility of the outcome. Okay, so when an experiment is being done, when the experiment is being done, there comes an output. I'm just giving values for each and every output. This is what actually probability is. Okay, so next, moving on to the next thing is sure event. If I'm just if the possibility is that event is going to happen, if I'm just getting a if I'm just tossing a coin, if I'm just getting a head, means you can expect either head or tail, right? It is not a sure event. That getting a tail or getting a head is not a sure event. If I'm just rolling a die and I'm just getting 8 or 10, if I'm just telling you this can't be done with the dice. With one dice you can't get the number 10 or 8, etc. So that kind of events are called as what? Impossible events. Okay, then comes the value of probability, and you should know the value of the probability lies between the numbers 0 and 1. So all the probability values will be between these 2 numbers, 0 and 1. Okay, so it will be in decimal values. Then coming on to this, you have to know the terms difference between what is at least. What you have to put if they ask you at least. What you have to do when if they ask you at most. These are the things you have to be clear with regard to probability. Okay, so and for these 3 experiment, clearly know all the sample space, each and every element of the sample space. And in the deck of cards, you have to know 52 cards. What is the 13 cards? Okay, so how many red color cards and how many black color cards, how many diamond cards. Okay, so these kind of in particular sample space you have to be clear with. If you are done being clear with the basic things of this, then probability is the super easy chapter and you can easily get these 5 marks. Okay, yes, so I have given you the top 50 questions from this chapter, from NCERT exemplar, and also from previous year question papers. So just solve this 50 questions with this solution PDF, which is in the description below. Okay, so please share this video with your friends and show your support to us, and give your likes in the like button and show your support for us. Okay, and just please comment which chapter you want to see the next, which chapters 50 questions you need next. Just comment it below. Okay, so and also you can comment what are the next future things we have to do for you. Okay, what are the helps you need from us? Just comment below. Okay, Yeah, so let's all meet in another video. Tada, bye bye, and all the best, and start preparing for probability.